This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be switching things up a little bit and looking at 5 ways to detect fake Amazon reviews. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like it, and let's get started. And this issue should be apparent to anybody who's either an Amazon customer or reading the media. Like, this is a new article, Amazon's war on fake reviews. And Amazon really is trying to cut down on this particular issue. But there are things that you can do to detect if an item is fake on Amazon. Now, some of these require using an external service to determine whether or not it's fake, or whether it's suspected as being fake. The reviews are fake on the Amazon product page, but others are techniques that you can use when you're browsing Amazon, so you can just be on the lookout for certain things. So let's get started. The first method is actually using one of these services like Fake Spot. There's a couple other ones that are just like it. You add it to your browser, and then basically you can check to see if an Amazon product page likely contains fake reviews or not. And I'm not sure how they're calculating it. They're using some sort of program to determine if it's fake or not. But I've actually used this service before, and I found it to be pretty effective at identifying things that are probably fake. So that's way number one. Now, this next method I'm going to show you is based on a product that I sell. This is a product that my company created. It's a trademark product. It's been around for a long time, and you'll have to trust me on this, but I've never ever purchased a fake review or asked people to put up fake 5-star reviews. That's against Amazon's terms of service, and if you get caught, if you're a seller or a manufacturer, you can get your Amazon selling account shut down. So I have an incentive not to do that, and I don't do it. And the other thing is that the products that I make, they're good. This is a product we've had for a long time. I'm going to show you a couple ways that you can look for fake reviews using my own product as a counterexample. So the first thing that you should be looking at is whether all of the reviews are 5-star. And if you hover over the star rating here, you'll see that there's a distribution of 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, and 1-star ratings. And ideally, for a good quality product, it should look a little bit like this. I have to say, yes, 3% of my customers who've left a review have left negative reviews about this product, but I accept that. Some people, they'll have some issue with the product, but most of them are generally pretty good, 5-star or 4-star. If you hover over the reviews on an Amazon product and they're all 5-star or almost 5-star, especially if there's a lot of them like this, beware. It's likely that someone is paying for customers to leave fake 5-star reviews. And I'll show you an example of some of the methods that they use in a little bit. So that's one way, just to check to see if there's too many 5-star reviews. The next thing that you should do is actually take a look at the ratings. So click on that. You'll come to this section. And the way that Amazon organizes the reviews, at least on the desktop version, they show top reviews first. The problem with showing the top reviews first is these are reviews that have the most votes or the most engagement, and manufacturers and third-party sellers who are out to cheat the system, they know that these reviews will show up first. So they make sure that the first batches of reviews are all glowingly 5-star reviews, and people love them and people like them. So this one has 24 people found this helpful. So this is a legitimate review, by the way. You can see it says verified purchase. That's a good sign. But even the third-party sellers who are trying to cheat the system, they can get verified purchase as well. Here's what you should do to check to see if this is like an outlier, a fake review that was voted up to show in the top reviews, or something else. It's a legitimate. It's probably legitimate. Take this drop-down menu, change it from top reviews to most recent. I always do this with new products I'm checking out, because most recent, I think, is a more accurate gauge of quality than top reviews. So in this case, as I said before, we do not pay for reviews. These are all legitimate reviews. You can see that these are generally pretty good. There's a couple that's, there's a 4-star here. Maybe if I click, there's another 4-star. So this looks like it's a good sign, okay? So it's not just 5-star reviews from the very beginning when I first started selling this item 4 or 5 years ago. It's actually continued up into the current time that the reviews are still good. If there was a problem with fake reviews, what I would expect to see is the top reviews would be all 5-star, and then when I click through to most recent, it's all 1 or 2-star, or mostly 1 or 2-star. That's a red flag to me. Okay, the next next thing that you can do, this is actually a clever thing that I saw on a news article. Click See Our Reviews. Look for the See Our Reviews button, and you'll come to this particular page. And first of all, you can see the top positive review and the top critical review. So this person, this is a customer who's not satisfied with the product. I'm sorry about that. What you want is to search customer reviews. And what happens sometimes is the customers who are being incentivized to give a 4 or 5 star review, they'll say that they got money or a free gift card or something like that. And what you can do is you can search for the word free and click search. And if a product has hundreds or even thousands of reviews, but a lot of them are from the manufacturer actually bribing customers or offering to give like a free gift card or something like that, some of the reviewers will say, I got a free gift card, and you'll see it in these reviews. In this case, there's only one person who mentions free in all of the hundreds of reviews that I've gotten, and that is we upgraded their shipping for free. And sometimes we'll do that if we want to get an item to our customers pretty quickly. So a red flag would be lots of reviews from people saying, oh yeah, the manufacturer offered to give me the item for free if I left a 4 or 5 star review, or usually it's a 5-star review. So that's a red flag too. Okay, finally, the 5th red flag for fake reviews actually comes a little bit too late for you to make a determination that it's a ripoff. This is an actual card that I got. This is last year. I bought something on Amazon. Inside the box was this particular card. Thank you for purchasing our product. You've been chosen as our lucky customer. If you could share your product experience on Amazon, you will have an opportunity to get this gift free of charge as follows. And basically what they want is a 5-star review. This is totally against Amazon's terms of service for sellers. You cannot offer bribes to customers by sticking in either a promise of a $15 gift certificate. I've seen some as high as $25. And this used to be a pretty common thing. I think, some manufacturer or some seller would have these cards stuck into thousands of boxes, and then you'd see all these reviews popping up on Amazon that were clearly purchased. So when the first time I got this type of card, I was really upset at Amazon and the manufacturer, because I felt I'd been cheated, because I thought that the reviews that I was seeing, oh wow, look at this product, this webcam, they're all 5-star reviews, looks great. But then as soon as I got the box and I got one of these cards inside, I realized it was a scam. All the reviews, the 5-star reviews, those are not authentic. They were paid for, and that was really a bad feeling. I complained to Amazon at the time, and Amazon didn't really do anything about it, but I've actually today, before I set up this video, I looked at the product. It was a webcam that I purchased for my son to do school stuff, and I can't find the webcam that webcam product anymore. It was actually removed from Amazon, which is a sign that this particular seller, this particular manufacturer of webcams, they got busted finally, because hundreds or even thousands of people were writing fake reviews and they were offering like a free Amazon gift card. So I'm glad to see Amazon is actually cracking down on that. But by the time it arrives at my house and it's unpacked and I have the card in my hand, it's like, oh. So I've been cheated by fake reviews, and now I have to go through the trouble of sending it back. And then also, you're not even sure, once that happens once, you're thinking, gee, maybe everything on Amazon has or a lot of things have fake reviews. That's fortunately not the case. As I said, Amazon's clearing out some of the bad actors, and as I said before, there are things that you can do to determine whether or not the reviews are fake or legitimate using the methods I just described in this video. My name is Ian Lamont. I am the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. On our official website, you'll see we have all kinds of guides about using technology in a more effective way and kind of figuring out these mildly complex tools, whether it's Google Drive and Docs or Microsoft Word or LinkedIn or Twitter or something else. So check out our website if you want to learn more. Also, if you subscribe to my channel and like this video, you'll see a lot more videos that we have on all kinds of topics related to technology and Amazon and different types of things. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.